Hello all, how are you all? Today we learn the shortcut of auto formatting the dataset. Here I have the dataset and your boss or the top management wants this data to be presented in a better manner. So what you will do, you will select the data and then change the header or highlight with other color, and again you will be choosing okay, this is not seems to be fit, and again you do the auto fit, and this will take this time. So stop doing this. Instead we can use a shortcut and get the auto format of this data set. That is, select the data, press Alt O A. You will get the auto formatted dialog box. You can choose any of the design as per your wish, and you can select this and present this data to your management and to your superiors. This hacks will enhance your productivity and also saves your time. Thank you for watching this video again. Do like, share and subscribe. Your subscription will be an added advantage to me to come up with many more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe. Thank you.